Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Asma's Kitchen. I am Asma. Today I have a really refreshing drink to share with you, that is cold coffee. Give it a try and let me know your feedback. Right, let's get started with the ingredients of cold coffee. I have milk and gonna use 2 glasses of milk, sugar 4 tablespoons, coffee to sprinkle over cold coffee, and here to make cold coffee 1 teaspoon, ice 1 cup. Now in a blender add 2 glasses of milk, then 4 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon coffee and a cup of ice. Now blend it well. I have already shared cold coffee with ice cream. If you want, click on I button showing up on the screen to get recipe of cold coffee with ice cream. Now serve cold coffee into glasses. And in last, I am sprinkling some coffee over it. That's it. I hope you enjoyed cold coffee. Don't forget to connect with me on all of my social media, link in description. Give thumbs up if you like it, share it with your family and friends, leave comment below, subscribe Asma's Kitchen, and don't forget to click on bell icon. I shall see you soon.